sunscreen will show you pepper. Like, it will show you pepper, like you'll be crying. Hi, my loves, how are you guys doing? I know I miss you guys too, but let's get into the main purpose of this video. This is when I'll be rating the skincare products I've used on my skin in 2025. So the year is not just going to end like that without me talking about them. So let's get into the video. We are going to categorize them into body and face. So I'm going to start with my body. So for body, I have my soaps. This Dove soap, this Dove bar soap. I'm going to be rating these a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm not gonna give it 10. But this soap was good. So it's just like my everyday regular soap. Nothing much. And the next one we have is the Kyrie's Carrot Bar Soap. This soap is underrated. People don't talk about it the way it is. This soap is so good, and it's also one of my everyday soap. Whenever I'm not using this, I'm using this. These are my regular everyday soap. And let's move over to my turmeric and honey soap. This soap is good, like guys, is good. It's actually not my everyday soap. I use it like 3 times in a week, most times 4 times, 2 times, depending on how my mood is. So this is a good soap. I'm going to be giving this. Did I rate this? No, I'll be giving this a 10 out of 10. And this, I'll be giving this because I don't use it as much as, like, I didn't use it that much. So I'll be giving this a 7 out of 10. And the next one is my greatest purchase of the year, which is this Nivea body lotion. This is so good. I've talked about it on my previous video, so you can just stroll down, take a stroll, look around, and you can see what you want. You can find what you want, not see. So this, I've talked about it. This is a very good purchase. Will I repurchase it in 2026? Definitely. So I'll be giving this a 10 out of 10. If there's a way I can give it more, I can give it more. And the next one is this Ghanaian body lotion. See, this vitamin C, it didn't do anything for me. So this is not, it's not a bad purchase, neither is it a good purchase for me. So I didn't actually use it for my body anymore. I now use it for my hand as a hand cream. It didn't do much for me. So I'll be giving this a 5 out of 10. Yeah, I'm not stingy with my, like, I try to upgrade it, so I don't look bad. And the next one is this Dr. Teal's body lotion. This body lotion, if you know me very well, you know that I always have this body lotion in my routine, and it's so good to my skin. So I'll be rating this 10 out of 10, and I will repurchase it next year. Yeah, I will purchase it next year. I'll still purchase it next year, hopefully. And the next one, I think I'm out of it. I don't have it anymore. Is the Amlatin body lotion. That body lotion is on fire. Like, I so much love that product. I'll put a picture of it here. Will I repurchase it? Maybe if I have money, because it's quite on a higher price, so I might repurchase it, or maybe not. And the next one I have is, oh, oops, and the next one I have is my Vaseline. See, if you're a lady and you don't use Vaseline, I don't know what you are doing. Like, not just a lady, everybody needs to be using Vaseline. This petroleum gel, this is so good. I use it for my skin, I use it for my lashes, I use it after shave, I use it for my lips. As see, this is a hack. Like, I feel like it's a skincare hack that people don't really talk about more. So this is a 10 out of 10, and I will repurchase it. It's not repurchase, I will always have it in my routine. And the next one I have here, I'm trying to be fast so the video doesn't stay longer. And the next one I have here is this Desire vitamin C body oil. This body oil, I don't know if it does, I don't know, I can't tell. Like, I didn't use it that much, so I will only use it to add extra moisture to my skin whenever I'm stepping out, to have that shine, to look extra shiny. That's when I use this. And I don't know if it did anything to my skin. Will I repurchase it? Definitely. And I will still buy another one because Hamatan is coming, and you have to look hydrated. I'm going to get this again. How will I rate it? I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. And the next one I have here is my peers. Yeah, my peers. This I don't really use, see, I use body oils, but I don't really use it as much as I thought I used to. So body, this pears is very good, especially if you have sensitive skin, and if your skin is very, very sensitive, and you react to so many oils and all that. You go for baby oils, not just pears, any baby oils that you can get your hands on. Just try them. It's actually good. So for this, I actually use it on my scalp, my hair, like, to add extra shine to it. So will I repurchase it? Definitely a yes. And I'll be giving it a 8 out of 10 because it was useful. And the next one I have here is the ordinary glycolic acid. This is a lifesaver, like, it's a lifesaver. And there's another hack, right? If you're someone that have body odor, like, your underarm, you notice that you're having kind of smell under there, you can also be using glycolic acid. You can also use it to even out there if you have bumps and all that. It's a good purchase. Will I repurchase it? I don't know. I'm not gonna. I see this is expensive. It's close to 30,000, or not, if not more than. And I would definitely have a glycolic acid toner in my routine, but not for the ordinary. This is quite expensive. And the next one is this scrub. I use this scrub for my body whenever I feel like this is quite expensive. This is expensive. So whenever I want to scrub, I use this. Most of the times I use this. And I also have this toner. But see, I just regulate it. I try not to use too much of this. I try not to use much of this. I'm going to rate this 8 out of 10. And I'm rating this 10 out of 10 because it's actually good. It's actually good. Is that all? Yeah, that's all for my body. Let's move over to face. So now, by now, you should know the next product I should be bringing. Like, if you see me now, you know that it's this product. This face pad salicylic acid is like, this is what I'll give to it. This was a good purchase. Like, I don't regret getting it, and I'm so happy that I got it. This, will I repurchase it next year? Definitely. And I'll be giving it a 10 out of 10, like 1000 out of 10. That's how good it is. And the next one is this Caris vitamin C boost, even 2 3 in 1, whatever they are saying that this thing does. Like, I love Caris products, but I don't understand. This product doesn't, it didn't do anything. She didn't do anything. She didn't do anything, like, actually. So I'll be giving this a 4 out of 10. Like, if you have acne and you want to start using this, or you have acne skin, you want to use this is not going to do the job for you. And for toner, this SBC T3, this is a basic toner. So it's not doing much on my skin because I ran out of my main toner, so I got this. This is not doing whatever. It's not doing anything for me, but it's just basic toner. And if you're starting your skincare journey and you need a toner that that can be working, you can as well get this. It's actually good. So I'll be giving this a 7 out of 10. And the next one I have here is this Rochelle Vitamin C Serum. This is not a good, it's not bad though. It's a good purchase. It's not bad. I'm gonna repurchase it, or I can upgrade to a higher version of vitamin C. But this is actually good. And the next one is the Ethylene Niacinamide. Oh my god. People that are giving review about this product, I don't know what this product did for you guys. Like, what did it do? I did not see the work. Oh, this did not work for me. Rather, I was even breaking out. Maybe that's, I know the reason why I was breaking out there. My skin barrier was triggered, was damaged. So, but this it's not doing anything for me. Like, it's too basic. Like, it's basic for me. It might work for you, okay? Like I said, any of these things are my personal experience with this product. That doesn't mean that when you use it, it's not going to work for you. So, but if you're on a lower budget, you just want a niacinamide that works, that can you can start using, especially if you have oily skin. Maybe you can try this Esteline niacinamide. And the next one is their retinoid. This retinoid, I bought it earlier this year. I don't really use retinoid anymore. I use it on my lips. Most times I use it on my underarm, or just in between. But I didn't use it on my face. So I'll be giving this a 7 out of 10. Why this? I did not rate it, guys. I didn't rate it for you guys. I'll be giving this a 6 out of 10. And the next one I have here is the face fat niacinamide. Oh my goodness, guys, this face fat niacinamide is bagger, is good. Like, guys, it's good. I used it and I can tell that this is so good. If you're on a budget and you want a serum that works, like you want niacinamide that works very well, this, please don't go and get fake products, but this is so good. Will I repurchase it next year? Definitely a yes. As you can see, I just, I've not even opened it, but I'm going to repurchase it next year again. And I'll be giving this a 10 out of 10. This was so good on my skin. Like, so good. And the next one I have here is my tretinoin. Okay, if you're an acne babe, like you have acne and you don't have retinoid, I don't know what's it be your purpose. What are you doing? But actually, this was a good purchase. Will I repurchase it again? It definitely yes. So I have this aqua tuna. That tuna was so good. It helps in building my skin barrier. It was very good. So for that tuna, I'm going to be giving it a 10 out of 10. Will I repurchase it next year? Maybe or maybe not. Maybe I can get something else, but I might as well get it next year. And the next product I have here is this. I talk about this Mandy face cream is very good. Like, it's small but mighty. It's not popular. I don't even see people talk about it that much, but this is very good, and I'll be rating it a 10 out of 10. Like, see, like, I so much love it. If the brand, people that did this thing, you people should come and supply for me, because where I am, I can't even find it. Around this area, I can't find something like this. But this is a good purchase. The next one is this pound Sabina rating the column. See, I don't think this is a cream. This is not a cream. I don't know why they call it a cream. This is a primer. This is actually a primer. The first time I used this, as you guys can see, it's still full. Like, I've not even touched it. The first time I used this, I was breaking out like mad. Like, I was breaking out. I was like, I figured that it was so dry on my skin, even though I have oily skin, but it was so dry on my skin. What I did was that I started using it while I apply makeup. Like, I use it on my makeup, but at the same time, each time I use it on my makeup, I'm always breaking out. So because I'll left for me, I'm going to give this a 0. But because people that produce it, they put effort in producing it, I'll be rating it a 4 out of 10. It didn't do anything. It's a primer. If you are looking for a primer, go and get this. And the next one I have here is the Coast RS face cream. This face cream is, anything you see me do like this, it means that it's good. It's good, guys. Will I repurchase this? Yes, I will repurchase it. Like you can see, I'm even out of it. Like see what is remaining. Hopefully I get money to repurchase. It's lightweight. It's, if you have sensitive skin, it's going to calm you. Like, no fragrance, nothing. It's a good face cream. Like, I don't know what they did in this, but I'll still be coming back for it. This is my best purchase of the year. Actually, this is my best purchase of the year. They did a good job here. I'll be giving this a 1000 out of 10. That's how good it is. And the next one I have here is my sunscreen. This one, you see when they say they go show you pepper. They are referring to this sunscreen. Like they go this sunscreen will show you pepper. Like it will show you pepper. Like you'll be crying. That's how it is. But I'll still be going back to it. As you can see, I have 2 bottles. I've used 2 bottles this year, and I'll still use another one. I'll be giving this a 10. I would have given no, I'll be giving it a 9 because the pepper eye, the chemical sunscreen still, so it's definitely going to hurt your eyes. But it's a good purchase, and I'll be purchasing it again and again and again. And I don't just use it on my face, I also use it on my body. Like it's all round. And the next one here is not a skincare product, but it's a feminine wash. This fem wash, oh my god. If you use scented feminine washes to wash, your VJ, like I don't know. Now you they cause that thing. Like don't use anything scented. Instead of you using anything scented, just use water and wash there and you'll be good. This is a good purchase. I've always used to have it like since 3 years ago. I've been using this and it's a good one. But I don't actually use it every single day, and I think that is why it's been working for me. So if you're someone that uses your feminine wash every single day, please just reduce it and thank me later. Okay? And I think that's it today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.